Girls, True Glory done did it again. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandraahzhane, and in today's video, of course, I'm bringing y'all another wig install, and this is brought to you by True Glory here once again. Shout out to the girls for sponsoring yet another video. I love them. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. But we about to get into this straight bust down middle part unit, y'all. I don't know what else to say about it. Y'all see it. It's giving very much sleek, very much laid. Look at the hair. Just get into the slow-mo. Get into the slow-mo. I will have all the details in the description box like normal, but we about to just get into how I install this wig and the process. Of course, it's a straight unit, so it's pretty easy. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, let's get right into it, shall we? Like I said, True Glory Hair is sponsoring today's video. We have a straight unit. I'm also going to be using wig dealers, like lace glue, melting band, melting spray, like a few of their products just to do this wig install. And I really love that glue, by the way. So now I'm just showing y'all the construction of the unit. Like I said, this is their version Brazilian straight lace frontal wig. I believe I got mine's in 22 inches, but I will fact check that in the description box. Of course, I'm using my Ruby Kisses foundation in the number 16. I'm just showing y'all the hairline and everything popping on my head. I always like to play around with the wig and size it up a little bit before I get into like really like, you know, installing it and really getting into it. So what I have noticed about True Glory wigs so far, for me, they a little bit on a small side, but it ain't nothing that your girl can't finesse. I'm not sure if they have other cap sizes. I'm gonna have to look into that. But yeah, now we're gonna go into the Ruby Kisses cream foundation and put that all inside the lace, because as y'all can see, the lace is giving very much light / white vibe. So now y'all can see it's looking more like my skin tone. I did not pluck this unit, y'all. All I did was bleach the knots. They bleached perfectly. I went in with my regular old bleaching process and they bleached really well. So now I'm using my hot comb. Y'all can get this on my Amazon storefront. I will have the link in the description box for that as well. Cutting out the ear tabs, girl, per usual. And we're gonna get into laying this wig down with the wig dealer glue. But y'all, some more facts about the hair. This is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. The density is 150%. All extra details, as I mentioned before, will be in the description box. But I don't think I showed y'all my first layer because I was also recording a TikTok. Make sure y'all follow me on there. But yeah, I was like, it was two different pieces of content happening at the same time. But it's okay. Y'all gonna see me apply the glue in just a second. But of course, I like to go and work in sections because it's just easier for me. And now I'm taking this glue, which I really like, y'all. This is really good for oily skin. I've used like a couple of glues in the past, and I feel like this one has had the longest hold for me, so that's why I really like it. But I'm just spreading that. Y'all can see I got a nice thick little band going on with the glue because that's what's going to give me the longevity that I want. I'm making sure I spread that in a thin layer before laying it down. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all the glue that I use, and we're going to go ahead and lay that down. I had to tug it, girl. I had to tug it. Make sure you have a flat foundation as well. Depending on your head size, you want to get the right cap size when you want to install in a wig, because it does make a difference in the longevity when it's small. Right here is giving facelift. And yeah, y'all gonna see me say that later on in the video clips as well. But while I'm laying this last piece down, y'all, I just want to stress the fact that True Glory Hair has a wide range of units, y'all, all type of different units, and they're great quality with an affordable price. So I definitely want y'all to check them out, because if you don't know, and if this is your first time watching me, or you just didn't see my last collaboration with them, I've been rocking with this brand real bad since I was in high school. So to be working with them a second time is something that I'm super grateful for. And this is a company that I truly put my money into, y'all. Like, before I knew about all the you know, Chinese vendors, or you know, like all the different other brands that we know and love today, this is what you caught me rocking in high school. Okay, high school is when I really started busting out with the wigs and wearing more weaves and things like that. And yeah, all I'm trying to say and stress is that this is a company that I truly stand beside, and that I am super happy to be collaborating with. Truly, this one just means a lot. But yeah, definitely check them out, y'all. The wigs are still such as good quality as I remember, and they're affordable, so tap in. The links will be down in the description box, especially for the quality of this hair. Yeah. But as y'all see, I'm just hot combing. Like y'all know, the hot comb is my best friend when I'm installing these wigs. I'm also going in sections to make sure that this wig is super flat. With it being a straight unit especially, I want to focus on it just being flat. We don't want to walk around looking like we wearing a helmet, you know what I mean? So I'm making sure that I go in with my care wax stick, which I finally need to re-up on. I've had it for literally years, y'all, like literally years, but it's time to re-up. But yeah, I'm just taking that in my hot comb. Like I said, make sure you hit the hit my Amazon storefront for like all the things that I use within my videos to install my units. As y'all can see, one side is looking flatter than the other, but I hot combed it off camera, the other side, and look at that. Yeah Get you a good melting band and you're good, girl. Now I'm just checking out the part and making sure I'm getting it as straight as literally possible. And we're looking good so far, girl. But now we're gonna cut this lace off. So I'm using a razor, and as y'all can see, I'm kind of laying the razor flat, if that makes sense, and I'm just going down. Anytime you have a fresh sharp razor, it's gonna cut through that lace like no tomorrow, and that's what you want, a real nice cut. And as y'all can see, it's looking a little crazy now, but that is where our melting spray is going to come in at, because it does look a little harsh sometimes when you first cut the lace off. So now we're going in with this melting spray. I'm going to be taking it on the edge of a, y'all can see, a rat tail comb. You also want to go in with makeup as well, because as you can see, since the lace was so like whitish, lightish, I'm going to really have to make sure I'm going in with that some more like powder foundation, because I have really oily skin, y'all. So I try not to put too much of the cream foundation, because it doesn't aid in the longevity of the wig, if that makes sense for me personally. So I'm going in with powder this time, but I do love my Ruby Kisses cream foundation because it matches me to a T. But as y'all can see, that kind of just made it look a little bit better because the lace was really light. And now we're going in with the band again, just to let that set and melt some more. I got my flat iron here on 390. I got my Bio Silk. I'm using a little bit of that, and I'm taking that for the whole head of hair, y'all, brushing it through before we start this flat ironing process. So now I'm sectioning off the hair. This is the easy part. We all know how to straighten some hair. I am going to be using a chase method as well, but I'm just going through, a few passes before I brought the comb in. And I'm going to go throughout the whole head of hair. I'm kind of like speeding this process up and showing y'all bits and pieces so that y'all don't get bored too much, because I'm just literally straightening the hair. Nothing too crazy. And since we already hot combed the top, everything is already sleek up there. So yeah, girl, we about 80% done. I would say 90% done, because baby hairs is about 10%, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm about to just let y'all watch this little sped up version of me straightening the hair out, because this is a straight unit. So I just wanted to keep it cute, keep it simple, and just do a bust down middle part straight unit. Yeah, that is what the vibes were. So now we get into the baby hairs, y'all, and of course I'm carving them out with a edge brush, the little comb side, and I'm doing 2 on each side. I'm going in with my little teeny flat iron, or really skinny one. I'm gonna be cutting these baby hairs down, and yeah, we're gonna go in with our mousse. Actually, it's a foam and lotion technically, and that's what we're going to be using to lay these down after I curl them. I like to curl them down for the most part. Sometimes I curl them up, but it just depends on how I'm feeling that day, I'm going to be honest. So now I'm going in with the Nairobi, and I'm going to be going in and swooping these. I did end up cutting them down. You can always cut them shorter, but once you go too short, you can never go back. So if I cut them long in the beginning, that's okay. I could just go back in and cut them shorter. And I also am going to be plucking them as well, because they was looking a little too harsh for my personal liking. I be trying my best to go for the soft look. I honestly didn't pluck this unit, like the actual hairline or anything like that. So now looking back at the install, if I could have done anything better, I would have plucked it just a little bit, like the actual hairline, and I would have actually plucked the baby hairs more than I plucked them in the video, because like I said, I really like that soft look. And that is also why I'm using the foam and lotion, for that soft look, so that they're not, so harsh looking. I'm going back in. That is the Black Radiance contour It's like a powder contour palette that I use. And I'm also going in with this black high beam spray. All of this stuff is in my Amazon storefront, y'all. And girl, just like that, the install is done. The install is done. Shout out to True Glory Hair once again. I hope to keep working with them. I love them so much. It's just, we love a good full circle moment. Like when I say I was heavily rocking with this brand, this is the only brand that I was wearing at one point. And it's just crazy, like years down the line, that I'm getting to work with them. But as y'all can see, the hair is getting what needs to be gave. Your girl brought it back to her roots and got in with the slow-mo clips, because just look, something about the slow-mo clips, it just really brings the vision to life for me. Like, look at the, just look at it, you know. I don't know, I just get excited watching this back. But thank y'all so much for watching this video, especially if you stayed all the way to the end. I will have everything, and I mean everything that you need to know, linked down below for y'all. Go tap into my girls at True Glory Hair. You will not regret it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.